So my dear friends, if you want to create a channel on Telegram, then keep watching this video till the end. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open your Telegram app. Now to create a new channel, look at the bottom right corner, you'll see a pen icon here. So click on this pen icon. So click on new channel. First thing first, you gotta give a name to your channel. For example, I'm typing here. So this is my channel name, My New Journey. And yeah, if you want, you can write a small description about your channel. I mean what this channel is about, what you're gonna be posting in this channel, okay? And if you want, you can add the channel logo or channel profile photo right here, right now. Click on this profile photo icon. It'll redirect you to your phone gallery. Now select the picture. And after selecting your photos, just click on this tick mark at the bottom right corner. And now my photo is uploaded, just click on this tick mark at the top right corner. And now you get two options here, public channel and private channel. So select the public channel option. And if you want, you can create a customized link for this channel. Click here, and now type whatever you want to type. So after typing here, just click on this tick mark at the top right corner, and now my channel is created. Now go back, just click on your channel. Now from the top of the page, just click on your profile picture. And if you want to have the QR code for this Telegram channel, just click here, and then you'll get your QR code. Okay? So this is how you can create a channel on Telegram. That's it.